Experiencing a not registered on network error on your ALDI mobile device means you can't make calls, send texts, or use data. This often happens because of issues with your SIM card, APN settings, or network selection. ALDI Mobile operates on networks like AT&T and Verizon, so problems on their end can affect you. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. If the SIM card is fine, try cleaning it or inserting it in another phone to see if the issue persists. Second, quickly toggle airplane mode on and off to attempt a network reset. Then, force your phone to manually select the network operator. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Network Operators, select Manually, and choose either AT&T or Verizon, depending on your ALDI Mobile plan. This often resolves immediate connection problems. ALDI Mobile released an app in 2024 that offers automated diagnostics for SIM and APN issues, which can help identify the root cause. If manual network selection doesn't resolve the issue, your APN settings might be incorrect. The access point name acts as a gateway for data services on your device. For ALDI Mobile users, the correct APN depends on your carrier network. If you're on AT&T, use Wholesale as the APN. For Verizon, use Resound. To manually configure your APN, navigate through your phone's settings. Start by opening Settings, then go to Network and Internet, select Mobile Network, and choose Access Point Names. Tap the plus icon to create a new APN entry. When adding the new APN, fill in these key fields. Set the name to ALDI, enter the appropriate APN based on your network, and leave MMSC and MMS proxy fields blank or at their defaults. ALDI Mobile is currently pushing towards 5G compatibility by introducing new SIM cards designed for faster speeds and broader coverage. However, older or legacy devices might experience difficulties adapting to these new network technologies. Looking ahead, by 2026 or 2027, ALDI plans to introduce fully automated network selection features integrated into their mobile app. This advancement could make manual APN configurations a thing of the past. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the network registration issue, reach out to ALDI Mobile customer support directly. You can also visit their official website to check for any current outage announcements or additional troubleshooting resources.